Dear students, this video discusses about hybrid rings, which is also known as rat race circuits. So this consists of a annular ring, that is, it's an annular ring of suitable electrical length. It is designed of suitable electrical length, so which will be capable of sustaining standing waves. So standing waves is a combination of both incident and reflected waves. So because of its design, no standing waves will be formed inside this. So at suitable intervals, four arms or waveguides are connected either in parallel or series junctions. So here the distance, here this distance is equal to 3 lambda g by 4, where lambda g is the wavelength inside the guide. So guided wavelength is known as lambda g. So this distance will be equal to 3 lambda g by 4. Then this distance will be equal to lambda g by 4. Again this distance, each of them are separated at a distance of lambda g by 4. So because of this design, what happens is, when a signal is fed at port 1, so because of the waves, microwave signal is applied at port 1, it will not be coupled to port 3. Why? Because difference of phase shifts of the waves traveling in clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction will be equal to 180 degree. So when a wave traveling in this direction and in this direction, as the phase shift is 180 degree, they both will get cancelled. So no wave comes out of port 3. Similarly, when you apply power at port 2, no wave comes out of port 4 and so on. So we can write the S matrix as, so here when you consider S12, S11 will be equal to 0, then S13 will be equal to 0, then S22 will be equal to 0, then S24 will be equal to 0, then S31 will be equal to 0. So when you are feeding power at port 3, no power comes out of port 1. So S31 will be equal to 0, then S33 will be equal to 0 because the junctions are perfectly matched. Similarly, S41, S42 will be equal to 0 and S44 will be equal to 0. That is, when you are feeding power at port 4, no power comes out of port 2. So that means S42 will be equal to 0. So the general S matrix can be written as S is equal to 0, S12, S13 is 0, then S14, S21 0, S23 0, 0, S32 0, 33 0, then S34, S41 0, S43 0. This will be the general S matrix. As there are 4 ports, the S matrix will be 4 by 4 will be the dimension. So this phase cancellation will occur only at a designated frequency. When you consider an ideal hybrid ring, this phase cancellation will occur only at a designated frequency. But in case of your actual hybrid rings, there will be small leakage couplings. So whatever we have considered here as 0 may not be equal to 0 when we consider actual hybrid rings.